Hello, my crafty friends. I sure hope you're having a fabulous day. My name is Robyn Pitts with Sir Chauncey Rocco Creative Designs. Today, I have a design team project for ASC Craft Supplies. I've created this adorable mini craft card. You may have seen a larger version of this that was created by Nichole Silhouette. I will include a link to her digital file in the description box below. Kristianne from Kristianne's Crafty Adventure created this mini version that requires no dies or cutting files. This is super fast and easy to make, and it's lots of fun. The paper collection that I used is Mintay Glam. I used a combination of the 12x12 and 6x6. If you've seen my previous videos, I've created several projects using this paper collection. This is available at ASC Craft Supplies. If you like, please feel free to use my coupon code Robyn10. That's all in capital letters, and you will receive a 10% discount upon checkout. Although this is a mini craft card, it does hold quite a bit of items. The width is 6 inches. The height from the handle to the base is 6.5 inches, and the depth of the card is just under 4 inches. So let's start at the top. As you can see, I have bedazzled this entire project with this beautiful rhinestone. On the top, I have this lovely floral spray. We've got white and pink roses. We have these stamens here on the left. In the back, we have this beautiful lipstick. If you look closely, I've added in glossy accents to give it a little sheen. There are more flowers here in the back. This is an adorable little makeup case, which includes all of the items that a woman needs. You've got your foundation, your mascara, your lip liners. You've got a little blush here. This is also outlined in glossy accents. And we have another floral spray here. In the center, I have a chipboard star. Now, this is a remnant of the Star Shaker Memory Decks card that I showed you in my previous video. I simply covered it in pretty paper, outlined it with more of this rhinestone, and in the center, I've fussy cut these beautiful black patent leather high heel shoes, and you can see the glossy accents on that. And then on the bottom, I've added in this sentiment that says Glam Rock. Below here, we have another pocket, which is also outlined in rhinestones. This is a side of the craft cart. Now, I really did not embellish this too much because I love this beautiful pink rose in the center, which is the same image on the opposite pocket. On the back, we have this adorable little handle, which is actually a paper straw. I've added in more rhinestones, as you can see here. We have a pretty little tassel, and this is a digital file from My Scrap Chick, and it's called Pretty Paper Tassels. I've used a Tim Holtz punch to create these little bows, and then I have it attached to the handle with this light pink satin ribbon. And then, of course, more rhinestones. Let me show you the bottom. For this project, I've used these large pink beads. However, I am creating another version of this where I will be using mini casters. Let me show you what they look like. In Kristianne's video, she used these mini casters, which she purchased from Amazon. I also found these on Amazon for $10, and you receive 16 in a package, and I got them within 24 hours. Now that I've given you an overview of the outside, let's take a peek inside. This lid is held together with a magnetic closure. On the front, you have a tiny pocket. It's pretty slender, but you can fit like a little gift card inside. And then you have two main pockets here. As you can see, this is stuffed to the brim. So let me show you some of the items. These are what the inside boxes look like. Let me show you some of the items that I've created. All of these embellishments are digital files from My Scrap Chick. I'm not going to take them out of the packaging because I've already done a separate video reviewing each of these in detail. I just wanted to show you how much fits inside this little craft card. So these are layered roses, and as you can see, they're pretty thick. I have 2 sets of these layered bows, and each of them are embellished with a fairly dimensional flower and stamens on the top. And then I've included these pretty paper tassels. Each of them have bead caps. We've got an antique bronze and a silver, and they are attached to a lobster claw. I'm also including in the package this sequin mix. We had to create this as part of the swap, and I think these colors go well with this paper collection. This concludes my review of my mini craft cart. Hopefully I've inspired you with new and creative ideas. If you like this video, please take a moment to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Please be sure to check my channel to see more fun creative projects. Thank you so much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now, and happy crafting.